The bike ranch is probably one of the most popular tourist destinations, I'd say, for Kamloops. We see so many tourists.
Really, whatever aspect of mountain biking you're into, we're going to have it here. And we have a really cool community to support that. So for everywhere I've been, I've never found a place that's quite like Kamloops, and it's super unique in that.
Actually, all our trails are amazing. We just have such a wide variety of unique trails, and it's a really special place that you don't see this kind of riding everywhere.
The long-term growth of cycling is so dependent on having a positive community that can support that and get people stoked to be out there on the trails. So we really just love having this big membership base that we can offer events for members, we can offer races, just a lot of different ways we can kind of get people out, get them stoked. And then also just build like a friendship base to that and foster that like long-term love for cycling and keep them in for generations.
Because the bike ranch has become such a staple of Kamloops, we've been able to get more funding support over the years.
Tourism Kamloops has really come on board to drive more money into the actual funding of this. In a big way, kind of trying to bring the community together. Just everybody talking, trying to figure out synergies, how we can raise more funds and do this more beneficial for everybody.
I think that a lot of the nice things we have here are because of tourism. The tournament capital mandate that went on for years and years has helped really benefit the outdoors and keeping special park spaces and things like that. So I think we have to credit where credit's due.